Hey everyone, it's your girl Princess Nini and I'm back with another video. So today, on today's menu, we've got crawfish, shrimp, clams, corn, potatoes. I made a quick little butter sauce. Probably can't see it, I don't want to spill it. But I put onion powder, garlic powder, some onions, some Old Bay seasoning. Oh my god, this smells so good. So, like I said, I know it's rough with me posting the videos, you guys, but I'm trying. So, I can't wait. I haven't ate today, so I know I'm about to grab. I got a pound of shrimp, a pound of crawfish, and a pound of clams. There is leftovers because this is still a big bowl. So I plan on killing this for you guys. I'm going to do it without glasses so that way I don't make a mess. I've got two drinks of choice. I've got my trusty Bud Light and I've got this cream soda. I love cream soda, so I don't know how it's going to taste. I'm trying to do a different camera angle so you guys can let me know if this one's any better than the last one. Let me get my paper prepared. That was the only thing that I didn't have that I just realized. So give me 1 sec. Sorry, y'all. I was trying to make room here. Okay. All right. Okay, hopefully that'll work. So like I said, you guys, I am doing a different camera angle. I'm hoping this is okay. That way you guys can see me. I'm going to try to have the sauce. Let me see. Okay. So I hope everyone is doing well. Like I said, I'm extremely hungry, so I'm just gonna jump right in. I hope my royalty babies are doing all right. Like I said, I know it has been a while. This is gonna get messy. I can tell already. So I went to my same place, Crab Pub. I've got the same seasonings, Old Bay, garlic butter, and Cajun. But like I said, I made my own small butter sauce on the side just to play with flavors. I have some lime added to it because everywhere I go is out of lemon. Ooh, that butter is hot. Very hot. I'm gonna get an onion now. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Oh my god. That's bomb. So before I get too far into the video, I do burp and smack. If you're not a fan of that, I do sincerely apologize, but this will not probably be what you're looking for. However, I appreciate you guys stopping by anyway, and hope that you guys do find something that you like. Oh my God. This is so good. I'm gonna go ahead and open my Bud Light here. Piece of sausage. Have a bite, you guys. Have a bite, have a bite. So good. That is absolutely phenomenal. I hate that crawfish is out of season right now, but oops. Talk about dripping butter. Got the sauce. But yeah, no, I hate that crawfish is out of season right now, but however, even for frozen, they are doing awesome. The onions are just right. It looks like all my clams came out of the shell, you guys. But yeah, of course I was in the mood for seafood, so I had to bless you guys with joining me. So I hope you guys are enjoying. So if you guys are new, I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell so you guys are reminded every time I post a video. If you guys are returning, I appreciate my royalty babies in the castle of mukbang. I came up with that. I think that fits for us. However, I'm still open to suggestions, but I really like that. That's super cute. Oh my God, look at that, you guys. Jesus. And you've got some extra limes here. Give them a little bit more in the sauce. And on the food. So delicious. So how is everyone doing on this wonderful Monday? I hope everyone's doing well. I went to work today. It wasn't a bad day. Oh yeah, I have a potato too. Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a day, guys. It just seemed like it was a little long for what I'm used to on a Monday. But I had a good day overall. These crawfish should be able to see them. They're pretty big. They are pretty big. So it's like the more mukbangs that I watch, I start to realize there's more meat in places that I didn't know existed. Like for instance with the crawfish, I guess there's a little bit of meat in the head. It just kind of scares me a bit sometimes. But the more my passion grows for seafood, I'm getting better and better at sucking the head and stuff like that. Knowing not to get all that extracurricular mess. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is so phenomenal. I'm totally making a mess of myself. At this point, I really don't care though. So good. Like I say all the time though, these are some pretty decent sized shrimp for them to come from a place where you order from. I didn't get much of the juice out of here. I poured it, but it was more garlic, and that's okay. I love garlic. And I didn't have any fresh garlic, so good thing they had some in their sauce. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm totally making a mess here. So hopefully that'll help stop the mess. Or at least limit it. It's doing the trick already, guys. My nose is starting to run. Try not to wipe my nose with that part that has seasoning on it. Let's go ahead and taste this potato. Get down in there. Ooh. Yum. Like I said, I didn't get much of the sauce in there. Taste my sauce. Oh my god, look at that. Like I said, these are pretty decent size for them to be out of season right now, for sure. That's spicy. Like I said, I got my same flavors. So I have my half medium spice, which is pretty hot. Look at all the onion. Ooh, excuse me. Oh my God. That's crazy ridiculous how good that tastes. Oh my goodness. I love the flavor. Like I said, I have the garlic down and the butter, the garlic butter from the actual restaurant. And then I've got fresh onion that I cooked in the butter. And then I added my seasonings. So it was perfect. And like I said, I didn't do too much butter. I just did a stick of butter. And then I added my seasonings. I didn't put any seasoning salt because I use regular salt and pepper. So no need to add all that extra stuff. Not today anyway. Guys, oh my God. I know the bowl looks about bigger than me right now. But when I tell you guys, it is so good. It is so good. Oh yeah. That corn is everything. It's so sweet and cooked to perfection. It's totally in my teeth right now. Look at that. That's good. That's so bomb. You guys have no idea right now. Mm-mm-mm. I really wish I could share with you guys. Gosh. Mm. Mm. I don't even think I'm gonna eat all of this, guys. I'm getting full already. Mm. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh. Ooh, excuse me. Mm. Look at that. Come to mama. I truly hope I can finish this for you guys. But I am full. You see I'm slowing down over here. Mm. Mm. But as you guys know, the potato and that corn to fill you up fast. Mm. But I know the majority of you guys like to see the eating, and that's fine by me. I love to eat. But I know there's some of you guys that have subscribed to my channel or will subscribe to my channel that like discussion also. And so I'm open to topics to talk about as well. Like, we're just getting started here, you guys. So I'd love for you guys to be with me on my journey. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm really getting full. And I still have some leftovers, but that gives me all the more reason to mukbang with you guys again tomorrow, which is fine with me. I don't mind at all. Do you guys mind? I know I don't mind. I don't think you guys mind either. Which is why you guys are a part of the fam. Love you guys so much. Excuse me. Like, I get so excited when I get to do a mukbang for you guys. Like, it just puts me in a happy place. Like, you know, even after a long day and everything, like, it just makes me so happy. To get on and post a mukbang. It's so amazing. Oops. Where did I get that at? I don't see it. But I'm so glad. You know, I was binge watching today. And I was watching Eat with Kim. And the way she killed those crawfish, oh my goodness. I think that's what really put me in the mood for today's mukbang. Oh my goodness. And then I learned how to peel these crawfish again. Even better thanks to her. But absolutely, I'm stoked. I love it. Let's see how this cream soda tastes, because it's not even the normal color that I'm used to. But I just want to know if I'll buy it again. Let me know in the comments, you guys, if you guys have tried this cream soda before. It's by Fago. It says delicious vanilla cream soda. But it looks clear. Like, cream soda usually has a, like, color to it. Like the color of the wrapper. Oh. Ooh, excuse me. That's actually not bad. That's really good. I will definitely buy it again. I definitely will. I like that. Whew. Indeed, I will buy that again. Let's see. I've got like 4 crawfish, a half a potato, and some shrimp in here. And a sausage and a clam or 2. Oh boy. I'm full. Let's see what else I can do for y'all. Ooh, excuse me. Maybe that made more room. Damn it. I really needed that, guys. My bad. Oh my god. Excuse me. I am like really over here Making a mess of myself today, huh? I'm trying to see what's in these claws. These claws look meaty. Ooh, 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 I think we got something. A little bit. Oh my goodness. Make a mess today, Nene. Make a mess. All in all, my birthday is coming up, you guys. 2 weeks. So Saturday, November 3rd is my birthday. I'm going to try to do a mukbang for you guys. For you guys to celebrate my birthday with me. But I really don't know who has surprises or what up their sleeve or what will be going on. So, yeah. But I'm definitely going to try to make a video for you guys. If not on my birthday, I'll try before my birthday or after for sure. So, shout out to all my Scorpios. Scorpio season. We are approaching, baby. Fast. Scorpio season, 'tis the season. My girl Eat with Q is a Scorpio. Who else is a Scorpio out there? Where are my Scorpios? Make sure you guys subscribe and comment so I know who you guys are. Okay. I think I'm gonna finish this piece of potato and then do one more crawfish and I'm done. I'm super full. I'm gonna save that big one for tomorrow. I am so full, you guys. Seriously. And we're about 35 minutes in anyway, so I'm not gonna hold y'all all night. Ooh. Man. I am really so full. Yep. Can't do no more. All right, you guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in for another mukbang in the castle of mukbang with me. I love you guys so much. I appreciate everyone who's here on the road to us getting this started. you guys make sure you guys have that subscribe button hit and that notification bell. So that way you guys are reminded every time I post a video. Like I said, I'm starting to get a little bit better at this. I'm posting a little bit more frequently. I'm working on it. Excuse me. But I love you guys all so much. You guys make sure that you tell a friend, share this video. I love you, my royalty babies. And I will see you guys in the castle next time.